Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to fix Task Manager has been disabled by your administrator in Windows 11. So makikita nyo mga kaibigan ng Task Manager ay naka-disabled po siya. Alright, so ipalo lang guys ang step-by-step method dito and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa ating keyboard ay press mo lang yung Windows key plus letter R. Ito yung tinatawag na run command. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung keyword na gp.edit.msc and then click mo yung OK. Alright, so dito yung tinatawag na local group policy editor. So ang next step ay select mo lang yung user configurations dito lang sa baba and then select mo lang yung administrative template. So click mo tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-select yung system. So click mo ulit yung arrow para mag-expand. And then ito na siya. So dito sa system ay kailangan mo lang i-click to control plus alt plus del and option. So double click lang yan. And then pop up ang kanyang system. Alright, so kung paano ba natin yung aayusin? So kailangan mo lang i-select yung remove task manager. So double click ka lang. And then pop up din to ang kanyang settings. Ang next ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung disable. So i-select mo lang ito, disable. And then click mo yung apply. And then click mo yung okay. And then close natin at check na natin kung gumagana na yung ating task manager. So dito lang sa start menu, right click ka lang. And then select mo lang yung task manager. And then nag-working na po siya mga kaibigan. So gumagana po siya. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano ba natin ipipix yung task manager has been disabled by your administrator. And hope na nasundan nyo ang ating step-by-step method at comment ka lang in any questions regarding this tutorial. Maraming salamat at nakapag-share ulit ako ng bagong kaalaman. At kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and click the bell notifications to update upcoming more videos and tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.